professionals specialize in powerful taxpayer assistance programs that can save you thousands if you qualify. Having resolved over $1 billion.
I don't want to rule or conquer anyone.
Emergency video.
On my shelf back there. If I go read that before I fall asleep, I wonder what kind of weird ass dreams I'm gonna have tonight. How will you know if they're dreams? Oh! What the hell?
Oh, jeeper. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Fairhill.com. Apply today for your medical marijuana.
Hi, good evening. This is Chanel.
Got that. Just come this way. There's a good cut through the university there. I don't know if you ever been through there. No, first time. I got that. Oh no.
Holy shit!